What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to compare two very popular PMS or property management system platforms which are Hospitable and Guesty. So to start off, let's go to Hospitable, which is hospitable.com, and here we will land on their homepage. If we scroll down, we will find like some info of the platform and its features, like some ratings on Crowd, on Capterra, on Trustpilot here, and some awards, and some features of the platform, some testimonials, some screenshots, and so on. So you get the idea here. Let's go and check out their pricing to see the plans and the prices. Okay, at the top here you'll find features, solutions, and then pricing. And here you will find the pricing and the plans. Here you have a slider, which is a very good idea. Depending on the numbers of the like properties or listings that you manage per month, you will get a price. So if you manage only one property or one listing, you will pay $40 per month. And as the number increases, also does the price per month here. So you have like a very creative way of determining the price that you pay, and it will depend on the number of properties that you manage. Okay, now let's go and view some features here. You have these features, you can click on any of them to expand it, and let's get started to view the account or create an account to view the features. So let's get started for free. Here you will enter your email and then continue, or you can continue with your Airbnb account. However, I'll enter my email and then click on continue. Okay, and once I enter my email and my name, my phone number, some like my password, and answered some questions like number of properties that I run, which platform do I use, like Airbnb and Vrbo and so on, I will be on my main dashboard. So that's my main dashboard. It'll ask me to connect my Airbnb or Vrbo or booking.com account here, and if I have a question. So these are the next steps that I need to do to fully activate my account. Let me show you the other steps. So we will not do this for now. Here we have the tab on the left. We have our inbox, where we can view all our messages and conversations. Okay, you'll need to connect to Airbnb in order to see all your messages. We have the properties here, where you can manage all the properties that you do manage and view all the info as well. Okay, the calendar view, where you can view your like reservation times and so on in a calendar view by day. Guest experience, where you can read all the guest experiences and messages that they leave you. Operations, metrics, connected accounts here, so you can view the connected accounts that you connected, like Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking, and direct. And here you have the apps. You can download the Hospitable official mobile app on your iPhone or Android, and you can integrate with many services like MailChimp, Price Labs, and many of the popular services here. So that was like a quick overview of the Hospitable platform. Now let's go to Guesty. Guesty is another great PMS or property management system platform. You'll need to go here to Guesty. So let's go to hosts, Guesty for hosts here, which is hosts.guesty.com. Okay, enter, and you will land on their landing page or home page, where you can also scroll down to view some info, some user reviews, some statistics, and so on, and some features about the platform here. You can see that you can manage all your listings in one calendar, in a calendar view, automate guest communication, easily coordinate team tasks, earn reviews, and create branded direct booking website. So you can create a website from within Guesty. I'll show you that in a minute. The Trustpilot and Capterra ratings, some user reviews and testimonials, and some features as well, and so on. So first, let's compare the prices. Let's view the prices to compare them to Hospitable. We'll go to the top here and click on pricing. And if you scroll down here, you will see 3 plans. You can select to pay monthly or annually. Of course, if you pay annually, you'll save like 30%. Here, if you have 1 listing, you will pay $34 per month. For 2 listings, you will pay 51. For 3 listings, you will pay $69 per month. And if you have more than 3 listings, you can click here to get a plan depending on the number of listings that you have. So here are the prices for the Hospitable. Now let's click on Get Started to create our account and view the different features. Here it asks for the number of properties that you or listings that you manage. I manage 3 or less, so I'll click here to get started. And now you can create your account. So you can enter your email address here to create your account, or you can sign up with Google. I'll go ahead and enter my email address and sign up with it. It'll ask some questions like it'll ask for some info, my name, my password, and some questions regarding the number of listings that I manage. And it'll ask me to connect my Airbnb or Vrbo accounts and booking, just like Hospitable, and I'll be able to create my account. So I'll do that and get back to you. And once I do, it'll open my main dashboard. Here you can view the timeline, where you can view like the reservation times, check-ins, check-outs, and so on. You can have a calendar view, in which you can view all your reservations in like a calendar view, similar to that of the Hospitable. Of course, to unlock it, you have to connect your Airbnb account here. You have cleaning, the cleaning tab, which you can manage like your cleaners, any feedback and tasks. You can leave your cleaners to clean and manage your property. And you can find cleaners in like Turno, which is a platform on which you can find cleaners to clean your properties for you. The messaging here, where you can view all your messages. So a unified inbox, you can create automated, or you can view the automated messages. Messages templates, you can create templates for messages with the custom tags. You can create auto responses, so where your clients can get answers to their inquiry or their questions automatically. You can view auto review your guests and guest arrival form, so you can let your guests fill out a form to give them services that are customizable. For example, if they have like an anniversary or an occasion and so on, and send a one-time message. And you can also watch a tutorial here that can help you better understand and deal with the settings here in the messaging. You can also watch a tutorial on the cleaning tab. And here you have the menu, where you can view all the menu items and the settings on your account. So the listings, the account, news, and settings, so on. And you have here you connect your Airbnb, Booking.com, Vrbo. You can have damage protection, which is pretty cool. You can like pay like an insurance, and it'll cover any damages done by clients in your property. And here is the website builder, so you can build a website directly from within Guesty and connect it to a custom domain name and so on. And here you have many other settings. So you can, after you viewed like an overview of the 2 platforms, you can go ahead and create a free trial, as I did in the 2 platforms, and try them for yourself and see which one works best for you price-wise and feature-wise. So that was like a quick video comparison and overview between Guesty and Hospitable PMS platforms.